Good morning, students. Today we are going to read and understand Unit 7's poem, that is When I Set Out for Lioness. This poem is written by Thomas Hardy. But before we start, as a young apprentice architecture, British poet and novelist Thomas Hardy once visited a parish to supervise the restoration of a church. On his return from the parish, people noticed two things about him: a new glow in his eyes and a crumpled piece of paper sticking out of his pocket. That paper, it is recorded in one of his biographies, contained the draft of a poem. You are going to read that very poem inspired by a visit to a place which the poet called Lioness. This is a lyrical poem that was inspired by and describes the poet's trip to Lioness, the mythical birthplace of Sir Tristram, who was an Arthurian knight. In reality, the trip was made by the young poet to supervise the restoration of a church. This poem has 3 stanzas. We'll read and understand it one by one. Stanza 1. When I set out for Lioness, 100 miles away, the rime was on the spray, and starlight lit my lonesomeness when I set out for Lioness, 100 miles away. In this stanza, the author describes his journey to Lioness, which is 100 miles away. When the author began his journey, trees were covered with frost. The author was traveling alone in the lights of stars. The author was traveling alone in the light of stars. In this stanza, lonesomeness means being alone. The rhyme scheme of this stanza is ABB, AAB. Stanza 2. What would be chance at Lioness while I should sojourn there? No prophet trust declare, nor did the wisest wizard guess. What would be chance at Lioness while I should sojourn there? When the poet was on his way to Lioness, he was thinking as to what would happen during their stay in Lioness. No mystic could declare, nor could any magician guess about the events what would be happening there. In this stanza, poet sounds stressed because he is unaware about what will happen there. Here, sojourn means stay, prophet means fortune teller, and trust means dare. Last, third stanza. When I returned from Lioness with magic in my eyes, all marked with mute surmise, my radiance rare and fathomless, when I returned from Lioness with magic in my eyes. When the author returns from Lioness, there is a magic in his eyes. Everyone silently noticed this unusual and infinite sparkle in his eyes. It happened when he had supervised the restoration of a church from Lioness with charismatic eyes. Here your explanation of this poem gets over.